Hello friends, good morning. So how many of you know about the drip coffee using the filter paper? Okay. Yeah. This is a cool experience.
19 grams.
Okay. So this is 19
Yeah,
grams.
19 grams.
Okay.
Total water is 270 water.
Right.
But we are pouring doubles of the coffee powder, 38 ml.
Okay.
In 30 seconds.
This thing I can buy.
You can buy from online this one.
Okay. I got it.
Filter paper.
This flavor, look, full aromatic. So this will yield around how much milliliter of coffee in this cup?
For in this cup to क्या आना चाहिए? अंजलि इसी cup को for this coffee 240 ml.
240 ml. Okay, great. Where will we see this? Wow, nice.
This one is timer and this one is.
Oh, cool. I'll show you today how to make drip coffee at home. Just like the taste what we have in baristas, and this way it will not be having overstimulation, much more aroma and good taste at home. Here we go. See, hey, so this is my not so fine grained coffee. As you can see, you need to make sure it should not be too much fine grained. Here are my beans which I use. So before I made this video today, I had already grinded these beans. Okay. And the thing changed. And the wheat started. Let's make the coffee. Now, step by step, I'll be guiding you how to do it. You need a little bit heightened glass. Okay, make sure a little bit heightened glass. Then make it stand like this. The filter will stand on top of the glass, and here there are the coverage, and this is keeping it to stand, so that when we pour water, it should be hot water. Okay, just wait and watch. I am preparing some hot water here. Yep. Let's cover it. So before that, see this vapor circle. I'll be putting some coffee. You can see this much is fine. So good thing is that with a single filter, you can make 2 cups also. Okay. So I'll be pouring water slowly. Now you can see. Hope you are able to see this, how this is going on. This is not coarse grained also. This is not so fine grained coffee. None of the particle is going inside my cup. Okay. And it is passing through, the hot water is passing through the grinded coffee here. Little bit. You need to just add little bit milk. Those who don't like milk, no need. Others can add some milk here like this. Okay. Yeah, that much is enough. I can measure also, but now I'm used to it, so I don't need to. I just see how the color is, that's all. So guys, almost we are ready. As you can see, this is how it is. And this is my coffee, man. See this. You want to see the color, yeah? You want to see how it looks first of all. Let me see where lot of coffee enthusiasts or coffee connoisseurs will like. See the color. Okay. So now you know how to make coffee at home using the filter. So this is what the drip coffee is.